Yes, sir.
So in this class, we learn the definition of difference of two sets. Difference of sets. Okay. So let us see. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Then the difference of sets is the set represented by A minus B and contain the elements that are in set A but not in set B, but not in set
Set
B.
B.
That means from the whole set A we are removing set B. अगर B का कुछ एलिमेंट है A में वो भी निकाल देते हैं, सिर्फ A में जो है वही रहता है, और अगर A में का B में है तो वो निकाल देते हैं. Okay, that contains only elements of set A that are not in set B. That is, X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. So how we represent, let us say, this in set builder form notation. A minus B is equal to set of element X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. This is it. That means, by taking an example, you can come to this here. Fact. Suppose we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we also have B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14. Okay. So if you look at the elements, what you have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14. Observe these two sets. 2 is common here. 4 is common. 6 is common. That means these common elements will be go away. From the set A, remove the elements of set B. And it left with only the element that are in only in A and not in B. Example 1 hai. 1 is in A and not in B. So 1 is the element of A minus B. So we write now A minus B is equal to, it is A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus the other set what you are having 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, and there is 14. Okay. And what is your A minus B? It will be equal to the elements that are in. Now go on examining the elements in set A first. 1. So 1 is in A. Is it in B or not? B में है क्या? नहीं है. A में है. So we write this element. Again we see 2. 2 is in A.
Yes, sir.
But 2 is in. 2 is also in B. So should not write this 2 here. Okay.
3, sir. 3.
3 is in A and not in B. So we can write 3.
4 don't write, then 5.
4. 4 is in A.
Not
4
right,
is
sir.
in B. So we should not write 4. 5. Element 5 is in A and not in B. So we can
B.
write this 5. And how about 6 is in A and not
No.
in B?
No, sir.
No, it is in B also. So we should not write this.
8, 9, 10.
No, we should not look at the elements. 8, 9, 10 are in B, not in A. 8, 9, 10,
Yes, sir.
12, 14, these are in B. ये B में है. They are not in set A.
A minus B चल रहा है. Yes.
Question says X belongs to A, means A set A का ही elements रहना चाहिए. जो B का है
Okay, sir.
वो निकाल लेना चाहिए.
Okay, sir.
वो
Yes, sir.
A का रहना, वो भी कैसा रहना? That are not in B. B में जो है वो नहीं रहना. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
एलिमेंट्स है 1, 3, 5 खाली सिर्फ ये में है, बी में नहीं है, वही यहाँ पर लिखना. ओके? और यू आर कनेक्टेड. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. सिर्फ यू हैव टू सी ये ओनली फर्स्ट एंड देन 1. See the element 1. 1 is in this or not, in B or not.
Not.
So you write down. 2. 2 is in B, so you strike
There.
off. Strike off. You should not write this. Okay?
Then 3.
3 is not there.
You can write 4. 4 is there, so strike off this. 5.
5.
Not here. So you can write 6. 6 is there, so strike off this. So जो आप काटने का बाद ये में क्या बचा? 1, 3, 5. You are least bothered about the other elements in B that are not in A. समझ गए ना? Understand?
Yes, sir.
So let us see now perfectly. Venn diagram देखेंगे. यूनिवर्सल सेट है, ये है और बी. ये
B.
तो ए और बी में कॉमन एलिमेंट्स क्या है? 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6.
3.
ए में क्या है? 1, 3, 5. तो कॉमन एलिमेंट्स के अलावा इसमें क्या है? 2, 4,
2.
6. ये कॉमन आ गया. 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10,
10.
12, 14. ये है. Okay?
14.
So it is this. So what's your A minus B? This only. ये पूरा A में से ये निकाल दो, B को निकाल दो. तो B को निकाल लिए तो क्या बचेगा? We left with only this region, shaded region. जहाँ शेडिंग कर रहा हूँ देखिए. तो शेडेड कहाँ तक है? यहीं तक है. Only up to here. This part, this B has been removed now. समझ गए ना? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
A minus B. So how we write this? A minus B. It is nothing but like this. Okay. Yeah. Horizontal portion. So these lines are not coming here. Not only up to here only. This is A minus. What will be this one? What will
B.
be this one?
Remove.
B minus.
B.
This will be B minus.
A.
This is nothing but
A.
we have written cos. Okay, like this region, this shaded region. Okay, clear or not? So B.
Here, sir.
So वैसे एलिमेंट्स को भी B में से A को निकाल के फाइंड आउट करो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 चला जाएगा तो बचेगा 8, 9, 10, 12, 14. That is B minus A, है ना? So that's
Yes, sir.
so copy down this definition. So difference of sets, let A and B be two non-empty sets. Then difference of sets is a set represented by A minus B and contain the elements that are in set A but not in set B. Okay, so A minus B in set builder form notation, we are representing
X.
set of all element X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. So
B.
I'm giving you the time to note down. Let us see for the same sets B minus A. B minus A. How we write the elements of set B? It is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These are the elements given in set B minus A elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So these are given in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the elements in set A. So let us find out B minus A. So how you define B में से A चले गया? That means it should contain the element that are in B but not in A.
Yes, sir.
तो B में वो
Okay.
रहना और जो A में है वो नहीं रहना. Okay?
Okay, sir.
दोनों कॉमन जो एलिमेंट्स है उसको निकाल लेना. So first see 2 is here and 2 is here.
There.
ये नहीं रहना. Shall we write this or shall we
4.
off?
4 भी रहता.
4 भी नहीं रहना. What about 6?
6 भी नहीं रहना. 8 sir.
नहीं है. 10 नहीं है.
तो लिखना sir.
12 नहीं है. Sorry. So we left with 8, 10,
8, 10, 12, 14.
So we have to see only this set first time, and not
Yes, sir.
and not this set. We are least bother about this set. So in this what we have 1, 3, and 5 are left over, but we are least worried about this thing. Understand now? So this is B minus A. Here. So copy down all of you. Symmetric difference of sets. Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference of sets. Symmetric difference of sets. To explain it, I'll first show you by drawing the Venn diagram. Okay. Here we consider the universal set, and in this we consider two sets, non-empty sets, A and B. Okay, and so this is set A, this is set B. Okay. Now, first I consider A minus B. A में से हम B निकाल देना चाहिए. This is A, this is A. From this B has gone. So we left with only this. This is the A minus B. Okay. हमें बचा है A minus B में coli shaded region with horizontal lines. Understand? Now we take B minus A. B में से हम सेट B में से A को निकाल लेते हैं पूरा को. So we shade it by vertical lines. We shade it by vertical lines. So these are the vertical lines. Okay, this is the shaded region, vertically shaded region. This is your B minus A. Okay, clear or not? So
Yes,
B
sir.
minus A is
Yes, sir.
vertically shaded lines. अभी हम इन दोनों को लेते हैं. A minus B यूनियन B minus A लेते हैं. A minus B means ये part और ये part, ये shaded region और ये shaded region. That is
Okay, sir.
ये B, ये shaded region union और A shaded region दोनों का लेते हैं. That is
B shaded.
shaded region. What you get is fully shaded or entire shaded region we get. connected shared region. So this is called symmetric difference of two sets. Symmetric difference में क्या क्या है? A minus B और B minus C, इन दोनों का यूनियन है. समझ गया? तो इसे
Yes, sir.
हम और एक तरीका से भी लिख सकते हैं. हमें पहली बार A यूनियन B कंसिडर करते हैं. अगर मैंने कहा A union B में what I get, this full sets, isn't it? This part, this part, this part and this also. इसमें से हम क्या निकालना चाहिए? ये इंटरसेक्शन B. तो हमें A इंटरसेक्शन B अनशेडेड ये है ना, इसको निकाल देते हैं. तो clear? So this
Yes, sir.
this way, this area and this area represent same thing. A union B पूरा कंसिडर करो, उसमें से कॉमन एरिया निकाल दो. नहीं तो A माइनस बी लो, B माइनस ए लो, उनका यूनियन लो, तो दो भी एक ही है. तो इसे हम कहते हैं सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस and we are representing it by delta. Symmetric difference is represented by delta and A delta B is nothing but symmetric difference है. आप ये delta B लो या B delta A लो, same आएगा. Okay, clear? क्योंकि B minus A you are also taking, you are also taking A minus B. तो B union ये लो, A union B. Okay, same रहेगा. इसमें से B intersection ये और A intersection B same आएगा. So this, or we can also write this A delta B is equal to this one. Okay, now let's write the definition for this. Okay, the
Difference of this.
set containing the elements that are only in the set A and in the set B, but is not the elements that are common, not the elements common to A and B. Understand? Clear? So,
Yes, sir.
set containing the elements that are only in the set A and in the set B, but not the elements common to A and B. Okay? Here, this is
Yes, sir.
symmetric difference. So all of you first write down the definition. So note down this, all of you. Those who are watching the video after recording can pause and write this, draw this diagram. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let us consider A equals to C, H, A and D. B is equal to R H I N O or H I N O. So find, this is a question I said, find number 1 A minus B, number 2 B minus A. Is A minus B is equal to B minus A, question mark, and also find A delta B and B delta A. Is A delta B is equal to B delta A? This is the question. Okay. Now in this, first find out A minus B. Solution will take. So we see A is given as the elements C, H, A, and D. B is given as R, H, I, N, O. Okay. So let's find out A minus B. We, as per the definition or your process, let us write like this and check it out. R, H, I, N, O. So equals to, come on, C. C is there, not there. So we write C. H,
Not there, sir. Right.
H is here. In both, we should not write. A is not there. We'll write A. N is here. We should not write. D is not there. Over. सिर्फ ये में का ही
Yes, sir.
देखना, बी का नहीं है अभी. तो बी में अगर बचा है आई और वो, उससे अपने को कुछ भी मतलब नहीं है. So what we get? C, A, D we got. So therefore A minus B we got this one. Okay, this will say 1. Now let's take B minus A. Okay, B minus A is R, H, I, N, O minus C, H, A, N, D. Okay. Now in this again we start writing R. R is there?
R.
Not there. So it is belonging to
I.
R. H.
I.
Right. So I is not there. You can write I. N. Common.
There.
Not right. O.
O.
There.
O is not there. No, this is A. So this is A. So this is O. O is not there. We write this. So the
RIO.
what we got is B minus A is this one. So this is 2. Now observe A minus B elements CAD RIO. They are not equal. So therefore we can write that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Okay. So if you want, you can also represent in Venn diagrams. Okay. Here. And find A delta B. A delta B, symmetric difference. A delta B is equal to, we have A minus B union B minus A. Clear or not? So we'll take A minus B. What is A minus B? A minus B set is, what we got? A minus CAD. A minus B is CAD. So we take CAD. Okay, minus B minus A,
Minus
R, I, O. Okay, so here
O.
C is not there here. C is there. This is O. C is not there. You can write A. A is not there. D. D is not there. Okay, you can write CAD. We have union. I said here. So we have to write CAD all these elements R, I, O.
O.
So all these elements. Similarly, we go for B delta A. B delta A is equals to R, I, O union CAD. Okay. So we write this as R, I, O CAD. So observe from these two. For what we have, they are same. CADI is maybe CADI, RIO, RIOI. So therefore, A delta B is equal to B delta A. So this is what we have. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay.